Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix screen flickering or blinking problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple problem and I give the multiple solution to fix this problem. Our first and basic solution is check our cable. Our cable has any problem, attach another cable and check our cable has problem or not. Also check our monitor has any problem or not. Attach any other monitor to our PC or laptop and check our monitor has problem or not. If not any problem to our monitor, then go to our second solution. Our second solution is restart our machine to the troubleshoot. Go to the troubleshoot. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start. Here we find power. Go to the power and here we find restart. Hold the shift key. Hold the shift key, press and hold the shift key and click on the restart button. Hold the shift key and restart button and your machine goes to restart. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find new options. Here go to the troubleshoot. Here we find troubleshoot. Go to the troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, we find advanced options. Go to the advanced options. Here we find uninstall updates. Click on the uninstall updates. We uninstall the latest updates from the Windows 11. Click at here and go to the uninstall the latest quality update. We are going to uninstall latest quality update. Click at here. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find uninstall the quality updates. Yes, we want that. Click at here. And our uninstalling process is started for the latest update. Wait for a 10 or 15 minutes. It's take a long time. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our latest quality update uninstall is complete. Click on the done. It's restart your machine. Click on the continue, exit and continue to Windows 11. Wait for a few seconds. After restart, I hope your problem is solved. If not, then go to our third method. Our third method is very simple. Go to the start, right click on the start. Here we find device manager. Go to the device manager. In device manager, go to the display adapters. In display adapters, select your drivers or the display adapters. Right click on it. Click on the update drivers. Go to the second option, browse my computer for drivers. If drivers are on your PC or laptop, your graphics card drivers or any other drivers, then go to the browse, select that drivers and install that drivers. If it's not available, then go to the next option. Next option is let me pick up for a latest available drivers on my computer. Click at here and any outdated. It is an outdated drivers. Any outdated drivers, 2, 3, 4 drivers are available. Then go to the outdated drivers, select that outdated drivers, click on the next, install that drivers. It's take few seconds. It is installing now. It's take few seconds and close it. Close the device manager and restart your machine. And I hope this solve your problem. If it is not solve your problem, then go to the next solution. Next solution is safe mode. Safe mode resolve many issue on the Windows 11 or any Windows operating system. It's restore or create new file for the corrupted file. If any file is corrupted, Windows safe mode restore that files. So we are going to safe mode. That is very easy. Go to the starts once again. Go to the power button and hold the shift key. Once again, hold the shift key. Don't release the shift key. Hold the shift key and click on the restart button and release the shift key and your machine goes to restart. Once again, go to the troubleshoot. Go to the troubleshoot. In troubleshoots, go to the advanced options. In advanced options, we find many options. Go to the startup settings. Click on the startup settings. In startup settings, here we find enable safe mode. Click on the restart. Whenever you click on the restart, it's restart your machine and new options are available on your PC. Click at here, restart. Wait for a few seconds. New options are available. Here we are seeing use number keys for function key F11 to 9, F9. I want to enable safe mode. So I press F4 on my keyboard or 4 number. I press the F4 key on my keyboard and our machine once again go to the restart. Now we are restart in the safe mode. Our all problems are solved now. Go to our start button now. We are in the safe mode. Go to the start. Go to the power button and once again restart. Only restart this time and our machine goes to normal Windows. Click on the restart. Once again, our machine goes to restart. Now we restart in the normal Windows 11. Check our problem is solved or not. If it's not solved, then I go to the next solution. Next solution is also very simple. Go to the power options. That is very easy. Go to the start and type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, find power options. Click on the power options. In power option, here we find plans. balance plan. If you select balance, then go to the balance plan at from here. If you select power saver, then go to the change plan settings at here. I select first, so I go to the change plan settings at the top. Here we find many things. Here we find restore default settings for this plan. Click at here. Click on the yes and restart your machine. And I hope this worked for you and your problem is solved. If it's not solved, then next solution. Next solution is also very simple. Display settings. Go to your desktop. Blank space. Right click on the blank space of the desktop. And here go to the display settings. Click on the display settings. In display setting, go to the display resolution. Click at here. Here we find recommended setting for your display settings. Check that display recommended setting. If recommended settings is not available, then check all settings and prepare the settings that work for your monitor. Select settings and select the settings that perfectly work for your monitor and close that and restart your machine and your problem is solved. If these all methods are not work, then I give the another method. Our another method is device manager. Uninstall our device. That is very easy. Go to the start. Right click on the start. Here we find device manager. Go to the device manager. In device manager, we find display adapter once again. Go to the display adapters. Select your display adapter. Right click on your display adapters. And this time, go to the uninstall device. Click on uninstall device. Don't check that and click on the uninstall. Wait for a few seconds. Close it. And once again, go to the start. And this time, restart your machine. Restart your machine is very IMP. Restart your machine. After machine is restart, your display driver is automatically installed on your PC or laptop and your flickering problem or blinking problem is solved. If it's not solved, then I give the another solution. Another solution is remove or delete updated softwares or latestly installed software. Latest installed software, remove that from your Windows 11. Sometimes some softwares give the blinking or flickering problem. So I go to the here start and type control panel. Click on the programs and features and select the program that you want to delete or uninstall from your Windows 11. Here we find your all installed program. Find the latest or currently installed programs or softwares. Select that. Click on the uninstall and uninstall that programs or the softwares from your Windows 11 PC or laptop and restart your machine. That will also solve your problem. If these all things are not working for you, then go to the here start and go to the Windows update settings. Click on that. Here we find Windows update. Click on install or update or check for the latest update and install that update and that will solve your problem. So guys, this is the multiple solution to fix this your problem on Windows 11 flickering problem or blinking problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.